guys, it's me, and today I'm playing a game called Will You Press the Button? And it's about pressing a button. So yeah. Okay, you will become the most sexually attractive person on the planet. You see, this is not a good thing. Because let's say I'm at my house and like a cat just comes around.
Uh-oh, retard alert!
So I see the cat and I'm like, okay, I'll recreate this. And then 9 months later the cat knocks on my door and says, "This is yours, take it, yeah!" And then I raise it out of shame and everyone laughs at me. Until 13 years later it grows into a new gaming tiger and everyone's like, "That's awesome!" So they all start throwing cats. I don't want to live in that universe, no, I do not. Next great dilemma to see the next one. I think it was bad because I mean like literally know what's going on. You can read people's minds. Of course I'm gonna press that button. Who watches TV anymore? Like literally, who watches TV? No one watches TV anymore. Okay, you get to live in the world of Harry Potter, but none of the Harry Potter characters know I exist. Wait a minute. But that doesn't make any sense. Because if I live in the Harry Potter world, then Harry Potter can't exist. So I live in the... No, I don't want to fall. Space, time, vacuum. Thing. No. Everyone in Detroit dies, but you get cake. I'm sorry, but it's cake, man. It's cake! Yeah, see? Snivy, I agree with you. Screw Detroit. Cake for the win. Cake for the win. Cake. Bro, this is too... Oh, wait, it depends. Go back in time to fix anything you make. Oh! Okay, let's think about this. Anything you think... No, I would not do this, and do you want me to tell you why? Let's say this. You go back in time to kill Hitler so he can't make World War II. But then when you come back, you don't exist. Because you couldn't have gone back in time to kill Hitler because Hitler never existed. So I can't do that. I mean, I can't. It literally, like, everything would be... Right, go. Oh, flights, time. Everyone knows that. Everyone. Oh. Wait a minute. If I have extraordinary powers, then I can hypnotize them, not to kill me. Yeah, this is good. This is to the Matrix. The Matrix. You'll be in your favorite video game, but you will be the most hated. So basically, I'm going to be a creeper. Awesome! If I be 10 years younger, I'm gonna be 2. Yeah, but I can be a really smart 2-year-old, and I can, you know, put forward another 10 years to become a smarter person. Yeah, I will do that, actually. Oh wait, I'd have to go through school again. Wait, but if I already have my IQ points, then I could just skip all the grades. Yeah, the power of choice. You know, the lie is... Obviously! I mean, wait. What? You can add effects to this? You can learn anything by having it fed into your head. Is it now a long process? Okay. I'll just learn everything. Ponies! Yay! 11 taps of friends. I actually don't know the Friends theme song. So no.
joke you broke. Your love life's the away. It's like you're always stuck in second gear. When it hasn't been your day, your week, your month.
Right, well, we can't do everything in. Okay. Wait a minute. I remember once, as a child, I wrote a story about me growing 18 arms. I'm not sure about this because when you're babies you write a lot of stupid stuff like cows have 5 feet. So okay, you know what? Yes. I don't think I wrote anything too bad. Guys, what's going on? No, first ISIS, now this. Every game console but you have no way! I don't need every game console. I have my Wii U. I'm such a nerd. You marry the person you love and have an eye, but everyone else you know dies. Yeah, this is a problem. I know a lot of people. Let me think about this. I'm not so bothered about this, but there's a lot of innocent people I'd kill, but there's also a lot of bad people. So I will not. You know what? I will not. I made into a movie. Which is famous, but the movie is directed by Ed Wood. Makes me yes, because I could just get it re-released without me wearing a sweater. Bunker! Lose! I don't want to lose my best friend. Thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed the video, then please not the like button.